Hey guys, so every single day I'm gonna be posting this on TikTok and YouTube Shorts. So I'm gonna tell you what we're gonna do because my sister and I are gonna do it. So we're gonna be opening that every single day, and I don't know about that, but definitely this. And I think it has chocolate inside of it, and I'm so excited. So we're gonna wait for my sister now. First one, sit. Okay, we're gonna take turns. Wait, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Even. There's 25.
Oh, there's no 25.
Oh, okay. So it's even. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so my sister's gonna open this one, and we're gonna share the chocolate. Oh wait, it's not chocolate. It's not chocolate, it's jewelry? I thought it was chocolate.
No, mommy said it's not.
Oh.
It's stuck
Wait,
in
guys. Oh.
It's a
Bracelet. Ooh. We open this almost every year. Oh my gosh, why can't... Guys, I can't... There's a sticky note. Let's see what else it is. Wait a second. Okay, it says detrás de la cortina gris. So it's behind the gray, the gray curtain. This for you. And what is this? One page. So that's it for day 1, and I'll see you guys tomorrow too.